Okay, here we go. Hi, Marley. What are you doing, baby?
Opening my present.
And who's that from?
Auntie.
Okay.
Well, I just can't get it open.
Karina, do you think you know what it is?
It works.
Well, I don't know. Open it up. Rip it. Marley's ahead of you.
Pillowbits! This is my panda that I wanted.
And what'd you get, Marley?
My pony, and I want it.
Oh, my gosh. What do you say to Auntie?
So I can cross the yellow. Thank you.
Oh, you ripped the tag off. Okay.
I could cross the
Okay, you did too. Look how cute that is. Do you love it? Oh, what do you say to Auntie? Say it to the camera.
Thank you.
Okay.
Hey, and did you know?
Karina's going to
Say
bed.
Merry Christmas to everyone.
Merry Christmas, Paw, Papa, Moo Moo, and Auntie.
And Uncle Jason.
And Uncle Jason.
And who else?
And Auntie Nicolette and Dun Dun Duddy.
Oh, yay. Awesome, guys.